Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your device and making sure it's charged enough to show accurate readings. Keep a charger nearby in case you need to test charging. Next, open Settings and type or tap Battery to jump directly to the battery panel. Once in Battery, enable the battery percentage or add the battery widget to the home screen so you can see exact numbers at a glance. This saves time when you need quick checks later. Once you're inside the battery panel, examine the app-by-app consumption chart to see which apps use the most power and note the screen-on time. This explains short run times. Make sure to open battery health or maximum capacity to see if the battery is degraded. Percentages below 80% often mean reduced longevity. Also inspect background activity and wake clocks to identify misbehaving apps. Disabling or limiting background refresh can immediately reduce drain and extend usable hours. Finally, act on what you learned. Enable low power mode, lower brightness, and restrict background refresh for heavy apps to stretch battery life. If the percentage seems inaccurate, calibrate by fully charging to 100%, using the device until it shuts down, then charging back to 100% without interruption. This can realign the meter. If problems persist, reboot the device, install any system updates, test in safe mode, and if readings remain wrong, seek professional battery service or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.